I know that once you've seen enough ads and heard enough people yelling on TV, you might begin to wonder whether there's a grain of truth to what they're saying.
But, I mean, take it with a grain of salt.
And suddenly what had started off as just a program to increase her income had become capital for a growing business where she was now hiring people in her area and doing some of the processing of the grain that she grew herself so that she could move up the value chain.
Point number one. When you hear someone longing for the good old days, take it with a grain of salt.
And like these leaders, Shimon could be true to his convictions even if they cut against the grain of current opinion.